Hi guys, welcome back to Dinner Party. I'm Ashna.
I'm Shloka.
I'm Kushi.
And I'm Isha.
Yeah.
Isha's air hostess smile has come out. She's like,
Yeah.
I don't know, I just feel very put together today.
Put together.
Yeah.
I feel
It's
pulled
the
apart
hair.
completely.
It's the hair, I think.
It's
Oh.
the hair. It's pulled apart.
Seriously.
It's us against the humidity. But anyway, for today's episode, we are actually going to play a game. It's not a game actually, it's just a little conversation starter, stirrer situation. So we've all written down a bunch of situations or like statements, and we are going to see if we are for or against those statements. So who wants to start?
This is going to be a lot of fun.
Fun.
I'm very
I'm actually
excited.
excited
see.
because I don't know where this will go.
Yeah.
So
think-
start na.
Who's starting?
Kushi.
I'll start. Okay.
Go
Yeah,
for
we
it,
might
Kushi. Let me
we might
open
look
it.
into our phones because we've all written down.
We've written them down on our phones, so bear with us. Okay, so the first one, are you all for or against making your relationship Instagram official?
Oh my god,
For, babe. For.
Babe.
babe.
The for was so, it was right here.
It was sitting on the
I
tip
think
of my
Dingy
tongue.
wants to make it official when they're just talking.
Yeah.
Like,
She's official 1 week into the relationship.
yeah.
It's a form of security in today's time, right? Like, you are so afraid that is your boyfriend, are other girls thinking that, he's available, and then putting
Mm.
it on Instagram is like declaring that we are together. No
Hmm.
girls can eye on me. So it's important for me.
Eye on you or your boy?
Both, yaar.
I actually don't know if I am for. Like, I feel like I'm a little in the middle. I feel like it shouldn't be a secret, but I'm not very into making it like public.
But you all make so many reels.
Yeah, we
She was
make
waiting.
reels because that's like what we
It's a
do.
mutual thing.
It's
they
a
come
little-
to, yeah.
But
I
it took
feel like
time.
I feel like I was forced into making it.
Yeah.
public.
She took time.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
am not the type of person who will, like, even before I was on social media, I wanted, like she said, I wanted the other person to make it public just so that I have that security that this
Hmm.
this person doesn't want to keep it a secret. I don't like it when the other person wants to like not share it at all.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Like, keeping it private is a different thing, but if somebody wants to keep it a secret, it almost feels like they want to
You
still
know,
talk to other people.
Hide it from someone.
Side
maybe.
chicks
Yeah.
are there.
Yeah. I think I'm with Honey on this.
Right.
I don't want to make it public, but I want my partner to make it public.
Are you
You're
blushing
not
so
giving
much?
Little, what is this
ये
behavior?
for against और कुछ भी होना
तुम
चाहिए
लोग
ना?
रेड फ्लैग ये दे रहे हो कि you
So
all are-
then you the same thing can apply for you also. Now, why do you not want to make it public?
Because I am not a person who puts my relationship out there. Like I have been.
But this same
till
thing, your
today
guy
person
will
should
say,
be.
"Nah,
Yeah,
then."
but that's what I'm saying. I agree to y'all. I agree. But this is my opinion. Like in my relationship, but I don't mind making it public also. Like I'm not ऐसा कि नहीं मैं कभी नहीं. But I think after some stage, like not in the talking phases or
Haan,
not in the
obviously.
first 6 months,
Of
1
course.
year. Maybe when I and he are very, very like we know that
Sure.
we
sure
are
of
sure
it.
of each other.
Yeah.
That's when I can make it public. But start में तो नहीं. But you know when your partner does like 1 or 2 postings for you here and then it feels
Postings.
good.
Postings.
It
Partly
does.
favorite.
It does feel good and important and yeah, and like she said in today's times थोड़ा Instagram कभी कभी डाल देंगे तो you'll be like
Security.
अरे वाह अभी तो
Yeah.
publicly भी declare कर दिया.
Yeah.
I mean, I kind of agree with what both of y'all are saying, but I'm a very, very private person.
Yeah.
So you're against.
I would say I'm against. At least initial stages. Initial stages is a year and above, for me still.
Yeah, yeah.
But
year, 2 years, marriage,
is
whatever.
minimum. And I don't think I would post for that much time. Or if I'm very like sure of somebody, then maybe I will.
Well,
But pehle to no, I'm not interested. Like it's not a secret. People I know, like my friends, y'all, everyone knows that I'm in a relationship. If I
But
am,
not.
but not like putting it every day.
of
Yeah.
course.
So against, I think.
Even my boyfriend was against it, but I
You
made him
forced him
for
to be for.
Yeah.
for it because it was a sense of security for me. Of course, not in the initial stage, but later, even he's same like Khushi, very private person. So that's a clash that you face with your partners. But somewhere we have to meet
In the middle.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like not too much also, not too less also, but beach mein. So
Beach mein, yeah.
he was
And
also forced.
it's also like almost making your dating life public knowledge, matlab, like a
Yeah.
public
Yeah.
record, so that people can keep track of how many people you have dated, and
Hmm.
then they want to know why you've broken up and
Yeah.
why,
Yeah.
you know, what went wrong and who is to blame. I feel like that I don't like in terms
That
of
is with all of us. Like if a couple you've been following for a very long time suddenly deletes all their pictures with each other and unfollows
Yeah.
each other, do we not gossip about oh क्या हुआ होगा? Like,
But
वो
this,
हमको
yeah, wedding
हमको भी
photos
बोलना
लोग-
चाहिए अभी.
Yes.
Are you all for or against situationships?
Who needs to go first?
I don't know who is for, but I feel like I am against because I don't know. Whenever I was in that dating phase, I never, like, I wanted a surety. Like, even if we are talking about it and if we're not serious, I want a surety that we're not serious. And if we are serious, I like clarity in things.
Of course.
And if I'm not into it, I will let the other person know. And if they are not into it, I would expect them to let me know. Like, I don't like the
Beach ka.
the beach ka part where it's like I'm also thinking, how do they feel about me?
Totally against.
Same.
No way. No way at all. Like she said, situationship is somewhere where you don't know like where are you with the person, and why would you want to be in a situation like that,
Yeah.
right? When you don't know that where you stand in the person's life. And of course there are two people in a situationship, one who is already fallen in love and one who doesn't want to label it, something like that.
That is so, yeah.
Yeah. And if I would be in a situationship, I would be the one who's fallen in love for sure. And that is a very bad position to be in. Like ऐसा चाहिए ही नहीं जहाँ पे एक साइड से एफर्ट है, दूसरी साइड से कुछ
बिल्कुल भी
नहीं
नहीं
है. So चोकड़ी.
Chokri.
I had read somewhere that a situationship basically happens when one person has low self-esteem and the other person has commitment issues. So that's basically what it is. And actually, just have clarity on, ठीक है, if you're hooking up, you're hooking up. If you're dating, whatever it is. But a
Yeah.
situationship is very इधर का नहीं, उधर का नहीं. So against.
Same.
Yeah.
I'm also completely against situationships because I feel that what is the point of this?
Hmm.
Always one person, as she said, is going to end up getting hurt. The other person has all these commitment issues which they are not working on by themselves and projecting it in their relationships. So it's a big no-no.
और मैंने सुना है कि तुम रिलेशनशिप से मूव ऑन कर जाते हो, बट
Situationship
सिचुएशनशिप से तुम
True.
नहीं मूव ऑन करते हो. लाइक वो मतलब होता है सिर्फ 1 महीने का, बट तुम सालों का थेरेपी लेते हो टू गेट आउट ऑफ
over
इट.
that.
Get out of that.
Yeah.
And so many people even say this, that they themselves didn't even know that they were in something
In
called as a situationship.
Yeah.
They're like, shit, ये मेरे साथ हो रहा था, but इसको situationship बोलते हैं. अभी everybody has termed it.
Yeah.
You want to explain? Somebody wants to explain what situationship is, because I don't think it's that out there yet.
I don't have like a proper.
There is no definition.
When
Do you
your
have-
relationship is not defined at all, it's like a situation. You're not girlfriend boyfriend. It's not even the phase before that, but you end up staying like that for like a very long time.
Like the other person also wants you,
Yeah.
but like we are not going to term it as a relationship, because maybe the other person wants to also approach other
people.
partners.
Like, this
She
is
said
a-
it so nicely. They want to approach other
The
partners.
partners.
We respect
They
दे रही
want
हूँ
to
मैं.
fuck around.
Are you for or against nepo babies?
I think I don't really have like an opinion, but fair enough. Honestly, if you had a parent who was like had like an in a field that you wanted to get into, who would not take it? Like you'd obviously, your parents are trying to make life easier for you, and I would do that for
Exactly.
Your
like if I had,
kids.
exactly. So why not? It just, the only thing is that do they work hard enough for it after getting that in?
Yes.
In.
Like, are you still hardworking enough or talented enough to support that?
Precisely. If you are a doctor and if you have your clinic to pass it down to somebody, are you going to go outside and be like, ki, who is
Kisko
the most
chahiye?
credible person to run my clinic? Or if your son is interested in becoming a doctor, you will give the
Yeah.
clinic to your son.
Absolutely.
It happens in all fields. Hotels, maybe your hotel is passed down to your son who is interested in the hotel field. So I
Mhm.
think them getting an in is okay. But what I don't like personally is that they don't, so many times they are just coming without much of preparation in the field. Like they are not actually living up to it, and they're using their movies as a way to improve. For an outsider to get that first chance, like I'm also trying for it now, I'm auditioning, doing theater. First chance milne ke liye you have to
Hmm.
go through so many things. You're trying to be your best self so you get a chance. They already have a chance and they're using their movies as ways to keep improving. Opportunities are just there for them. So
Hmm.
that, of course, if you're in the field, you feel like it's a little unfair, but that's how life is. Like, of course.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
I feel like I'm both. I'm for and against because both of you, whatever you've covered, I have
Hmm.
the same points. But I am against the thing that if a person isn't good at what they're doing, they are still pushed till the audience will like them.
Exactly.
Hmm.
And that I'm kind of against. Like, theek hai, you want your child to get into the business and try their hand at acting, and they might do it for 1, 2, 3 movies, and if they're not good by their 7th, 8th, 9th movie, I think they should stop trying, because I feel like in this scenario they are pushed till the audience likes them, and
Them actually.
they are being given opportunities multiple
Multiple
times,
times.
whereas I feel like 1, 2, 3, हाँ ठीक है, you've given them the movie, because I mean obviously they'll get opportunities also because they belong to whatever
Yeah, that's why
certain
they are
groups,
even
and
Camps and
they
all these
can
things.
get cast in these movies and these very big productions. But then I feel like their previous work should also be considered,
Stand for
and
it.
yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm completely for it. I think that's all right. Like we said, similarly, all three of you all mentioned that agar if I am well to do and I have a lot of things to pass on to my children, I'll definitely give it to them and not somebody else who is an outsider. And even if my child is not capable, I would want him or her to have it, because I don't want how we think that हमको इतनी struggle हुई, हम अपने बच्चों को उतना struggle करने नहीं
नहीं
देंगे. That
देंगे.
is why I would love to do it. But I'm not against it. I think it's completely all right. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
their way of living life. Like even tomorrow, if you pass down everything to your child and your child is not as successful, you will want to do something more for them.
But yeah, that it's on the preparation, that
Preparation, yeah.
how much are you taking that opportunity seriously? Like how
What are
much
you doing with what you have?
have, like
Yeah.
if you have the privilege, use it in the best way
Yeah.
possible. Don't come unprepared.
Hmm.
Is what,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
Isha, your turn.
Next, I think I'll ask live-in relationships. Who wants to go
For
first?
and against,
Yeah.
I am for.
Yes.
Acha, all are for.
Even
For
I am
obvious
for.
reasons. I
Yeah.
feel like you need to experience living with each other, living in the same house,
Hmm.
dividing responsibilities, and seeing how you enjoy each other's company, because you have to do that for most of your
Life.
I think you learn a lot
life.
about a person once you live with them.
Yes.
Just meeting someone on like your normal dating basis and actually living with a person is very
Yeah.
different. You see how clean they are. You see how the smallest things that they do can annoy you.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm talking about dingy here, but because
I'm
I'm in
not
a
in a live-in relationship.
no, like with me.
Yeah.
Stupid, she's
Oh,
talking about you.
us.
Matlab, she's like, I know you more because you stay here nowadays.
Yeah,
Like
because
always.
I'm annoyed by your habits.
Huh.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So like you get to know all of that about a person once you live with them, and you will understand what you like and what you absolutely cannot tolerate, like living with someone.
Yeah.
Yeah. I heard somewhere that you get to know the person better when you travel with them, when you
Hmm.
live with them, and how they talk to other people. And
Hmm.
I think it all sums up to when you live with someone, you know everything about the person. Like just
Yeah.
meeting somebody for coffee, dinner, even you meet them 5 times a week for coffee and dinner. You will
Hmm.
not come to know.
So
Yeah,
different
yeah.
to watch
Yeah.
a person approach their day, how they begin their days, how they end their days. When you know how is their temperament throughout the day, that is when you know if you're
Yeah.
sure of somebody or not.
Yeah, like how a person reacts when they are angry.
Angry, yeah.
Do they really like raise their voice, or do they have other mechanisms to cope up with it? So वो सब चीजें you will only know when
When
you're
you're in a
with them. So
live-in
I think before
relationship.
marriage, if they plan to live in, I think it's a great decision. जो relation 1 साल खींचने वाला था वो 6 महीने में ही खत्म हो जाए.
Arey, so First time
It's like
pessimist.
हाथ साफ
So
पहले ही कर लो.
pessimistic about it.
Yeah, I think that's a good
Yeah.
decision to make.
Yeah.
Because marriage gets a little more, of course, after marriage also divorce is a viable option, but it gets really serious because your families get involved and all these things. But to convince your Indian parents for a live-in is a very big task.
Yeah.
I think to convince your parents for anything, once you've started making your own money, is very easy.
Easy.
Yeah.
It's
They just
easier.
need to see you as independent human beings that can
Yeah.
look after themselves.
But they don't. Na? So many, even after, like, I'm still not completely independent. I still need my parents for a lot of things. But still, after getting independent, for them, if you're staying with a boy, is like a very
Before
big
marriage.
nightmare. Like, they'll ask you to hide it from.
Mm.
Of course, we come from spaces where our parents understand such things. Not mine, but Paki definitely does understand these
Yeah.
things, and she's very open-minded that way.
Otherwise,
But
it's the
I've-
ultimate pop
Pop
for Indian parents.
Parents.
But even there, I feel like parents are not restricting you because they have a problem. They care about what other
Society.
people or other relatives think,
Hmm.
and that's why. Otherwise, if it's up to only the parent and nobody else cared or even knew what you were doing, they would maybe just be like, "Huh, do what you want." But a lot of times, it's like, do what you want, but don't post about it, or do what you want and then don't tell
Yeah,
your
probably.
other relatives.
Yeah.
वैसा.
लोगों से छुपाने वाला.
And especially if
Yeah.
you're a parent of a girl child, then it becomes even like they start thinking X number of things. Like, अच्छा live in में रह रहे हो लेकिन शादी नहीं कर रहे
Yeah.
हो.
I feel like if you don't have the option to live in with your partner, then travel with them. Like take
Hmm.
trips with them because that's closer to getting that experience
Knowing
because
them.
you share a room or you go on a 3-day, 4-day, a week-long trip also. You still somehow like live together and
Yeah.
get an idea.
Okay, next. Are you all for or against dating a guy that's shorter than you?
For.
I think I'm against. I don't know. I'm a very like the hug has to be
Hug needs to hug.
hugging.
Yeah. I'm for. प्यार अंधा होता है यार. You just fall in love and
Yeah.
then you don't realize.
Yeah.
Of course, ideal scenario is that the guy is
Yeah.
slightly taller, but
So then why you're saying for?
because I know that I can fall for shorter guys in the future if. Yeah.
I feel like I've always said that I want to date a guy that's taller than me, but that barely happens. And it's all either they're the same height or
Same height, yeah,
Yeah.
same.
no one's tall anymore. So I have to.
What is no one's tall anymore?
No, honey,
No one I know
one's
is tall anymore. It's a little difficult when you're
So
a
you
tall
said
girl.
for.
Yeah.
Oh.
You're for dating a guy shorter than you.
Yeah. I
I'm-
have dated a
I
guy
want to
shorter
be
than me.
against, but I feel like that's not my only basis of falling in love with someone. Like I've
Yes.
fallen in love with someone,
Someone
who's
who's short
like-
also.
not short, but like my height at least.
No, I mean if it comes to like when physical appearance comes first, like वैसा type का I'm saying.
Like
Like if
taking
you're
not
if you're meeting somebody on a dating app and you
then
speak
maybe
and then
I
like
would be
then I feel
superficial.
that's all this.
Yeah.
If you already know them or if they are your friends from before
Yeah.
Yeah.
or whatever, then
Yeah.
इतना नहीं आता.
हाँ, ideal scenario, the preference is for taller
Yeah.
people.
I think
Be
that's
it
every
girl-
when you
girl's
make
ideal.
when you make a
Yeah.
checklist, it's basically on like your first impression. If you meet somebody for the first time, if you know someone pehle se ya, then it doesn't exist.
Yeah.
only.
Yeah.
I was single for such a long time, and I saw so many people who were not reciprocating the love that I wanted to give. So I understood that love is the first thing that I want. Height वाइट सब देख लेंगे. That is the reason I'm like
For
चलेगा,
Other
short भी चलेगा.
characteristics come
Because when
later.
you've been single for so long and then you see ना कि यार height is not the first thing to see.
Yeah.
You
But
know?
I saw so many times when a guy is not even like all that, but you're like, but he's tall.
Yeah.
That's such a
Yeah.
dilemma.
Next.
Honey, you are going next.
Oh, I only have to go. Okay. Are you for or against kids before marriage? I am for.
For.
I mean, do whatever you want, man.
Yeah, I don't have an opinion on this really. Like कभी ना कभी होना ही है. और if you've right person मिल गया है तुमको, you know you're going to spend your whatever years or life with him, then do it.
It's your choice. So for
Yeah.
so many people, marriage is not important. Like they feel like, you know, our partnership is the end of it. Like so many people don't.
Yeah.
मेरे
Our
लिए तो है.
mothers are going to be
I am
stressed
that.
with our answers. They're like, what are these girls
नहीं, मेरे लिए
saying?
है.
Kids before marriage.
हाँ.
But if it works for you, it works for you.
Yeah.
I'll never do it because I know what kind of pressure and stress that's going to add to my family and my relatives and everyone. So I won't do it, but I'm for it, for whoever can do it.
Yeah.
I think even I'm for it. I think for the longest time, like I've not thought about marriage. I've never.
But you've thought about
Yeah,
kids.
but I've thought about kids. I was like, there's no, क्या बोलते हैं, correct or a great example of marriage that I've seen that would make me want to get married, like grow up and get married. So that
Yeah.
I don't think I've thought about that ever, but I was like, I want to have kids. And when I grew up and I learned that biologically you can before getting married, because when you're a child, you're like, maybe you have to get married to have kids. But when I grew up and I learned that you don't need to get married.
I'll ask. 3 lines of sunscreen, for or against. 3 lines is this 3 lines, in case if you all don't know.
Against.
Against.
I barely can put 2 lines in this Bombay Garmi. Who's going to put 3 lines of sunscreen?
Yeah.
I will put how many lines your face can take. अब 3 lines नहीं हो रहा है
एक
तो
line
नहीं हो रहा है.
जितना बस है.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
product wastage. Like I had tried पहले 3 lines and मैंने उन सबके जैसे ऐसे करके try किया. Still there was so much remaining on my fingers.
Yeah.
So I think 2 lines is perfect. And इतना लगाओ कि तुम अच्छे से उसको blend कर पाओ. Otherwise there's no point.
And उससे ज़्यादा नहीं protect हो रहा तो अभी नहीं हो रहा. क्या करें?
हाँ.
मुझे
बस
personally तो
3 lines no
पसंद
one
ही.
is putting.
That's what I don't
Yeah.
like.
I
कोहली
sometimes
skincare.
don't even put sunscreen when the sun is not out. I like fuck it, leave it one day.
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing is
It's
gonna happen to me.
essential, guys. It's
हाँ, because
very
we have Isha
essential.
with us.
Yeah, like if you all don't put, then I'm going to take your case later.
I'm very mood पे. If I'm sitting घर पे, then I'll say leave it. If बारिश हो रहा है, then I'll leave it. If sun है बाहर, then I'll put an algo.
Same.
Yeah. No, you should put.
You are the myth.
हाँ.
Yeah.
कि mood पे sunscreen.
Mood पे लगाती हूँ.
Next.
Yes,
ठीक है,
next.
next is me. Are you for or against influencers walking the ramp for designers?
खुशी ने एकदम दिल से लिखा होगा.
Please insert the clip of certain someone walking at New York Fashion Week 2022.
Who we are very proud of.
Yes.
Yes.
22 or I don't remember.
22. 22. Who we are very
Yeah.
proud of. Who killed
ठीक है,
it.
y'all can give your answers first. I'll give last.
Okay. Same. I am for it because I'm an influencer and I would love to walk the ramp someday for a very good designer. Definitely.
I don't think I need to answer mine.
You have work. I'm against it. I'm for the parts of okay, I understand it gets a lot of exposure and all, but I'm only against because it happens little bit even in acting, with acting fields that, you know, sometimes influencers are getting opportunities that we want. I think it comes from a place of कि यार हमारे पास क्यों नहीं आ रहा है करके, when we are also putting in the effort in that direction. Of course, to be an influencer is, I have seen y'all, because y'all are pursuing it like with your full heart. It is not as easy as it looks, and when people shit on it saying that, you know, कि क्या है influencers ये कर देते हैं वो कर देते हैं, I don't believe in that, because you are your own DOP or your own editor, your own ideation team, everything. But certain areas, be it talking about ramp walks, I feel
Modeling
like the
and acting. It's
modeling
like
and
stay in your
acting.
lane.
Yeah, I feel like कि other people put in the actual work and effort and they are somewhere getting overshadowed because of this. It's at the end of the day business, because influencers are getting so much exposure to designers, to these fields. So of course it works out best for them, but at the same time it's unfair. So I'm against it.
I have to say I'm against it. I am a content creator and a model both.
Yeah.
And I know the effort that models have to put behind every show. Like for one show, you need to do one full day of fittings. Before that, you need to do one full day of rehearsals. You're sitting there from like 6 a.m. in the morning, and they'll make you do the same walk with different, where do you have to stop, where do you have to start, all of that. And then when maybe influencers come in the picture, it's just very like, they'll come, maybe they won't follow the brief that's given to them, or like every walk requires for a different designer, you have to have a different walk, a different pace according to the beat. You need to follow all these things that models are professionally trained
For that.
So for that reason, I'm against. But I will also say that I shamelessly am biased towards y'all. So if I mean, if y'all are getting an opportunity that's really good, I will never say that don't do it.
Do it.
I
of
might
course.
tell you ki,
Yeah.
okay, do it in this way if you can, because that's what maybe the designer will want. I will always be biased towards you all, and it's good that anyone will take an opportunity like
Yeah.
that with both
That
hands.
they get, yeah.
And you
Nobody's
should,
thinking.
but
Yeah.
only put in the effort that you should be putting because you have that opportunity and that space
Yeah.
that other
feel
people
like
maybe are not
it's-
getting.
I feel like there's a mixture in terms of even celebrities for that.
Yeah.
fact.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah.
celebrities
Come to
walking the red carpet. Sorry, red carpet, nahi, the
Ramp.
ramp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a mixed this thing because
Hmm.
internationally that
Does not happen.
does not happen.
Yeah.
And it's very like focused on the models and because it's their job. And I think that's the same type
And that's
of view
honestly
over
very
here
annoying
also.
also because so many times you sit and practice this walk the whole day and they're shouting at you and doing all of this and you do the whole thing, and then an actor will come and do anything
Anything
on
and
the
go.
ramp and do
Exactly.
this and that, and whatever is not required they'll do a whole dance, wave at everyone everywhere. I get that they're the people also getting in the media, they're getting in the
Exposure.
attention to the brand, so are influencers, that's the whole point.
Yeah.
But I think again it's unfair.
But
Yeah.
even influencers like don't follow the memo.
I mean, they're not really there throughout the day. They're not seeing what the this is, like what the brief is for the walk. They just get told they'll come like for one practice right before the show, like an
Okay.
hour before the show or something.
Okay.
They'll just do one walk, वो भी अपने मर्जी से जैसे करना है. They'll just tell them the points to stop at and stuff.
Okay.
So they'll listen thoda bahut, but it's thoda distracting when the pace
Yeah.
of the show is completely something else.
Okay.
Precisely.
So it's a little unfair, I
I
think.
thought this is what happens with actors only. I thought influencers को फिर भी वो लोग practice
Hmm.
कराते होंगे या जो भी करते होंगे.
Not as much.
Okay.
Not as much as the models do
Yeah.
it. So you
That
asked?
was my rant.
For or against one night stands? Hookups. मतलब
I mean, for whoever it works for. If you can be detached enough to have a hookup and be done with it over there only, then good for you.
for you. Yeah.
Yeah, as long as it's consensual.
Yeah. I think I'm for it. I'm like, if you can do it, like she said, you can be detached in after one night and you don't need to do the talking and everything the next day, then do it.
Have fun.
Have fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
I'm for. I envy people who can do it actually.
Yeah.
Like when I was
Ah.
single, of course. Now I'm not
Yes.
interested.
Now are you envy?
No, I'm not envious. But I was envious of people when I was single who were okay doing it because it was working so well. Because I catch feelings like if I'm involved with someone, it's easier for you to catch feelings and your judgment being clouded when
Yeah.
you're getting so physical with them before establishing anything else. So your judgment gets clouded and sometimes you don't have feelings and you think you have feelings.
Yeah.
So I would say for that, I've not even tried it out. I don't even believe in it. It didn't go fine for me also. So for me, I am personally against. Whoever it works out, great.
Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah.
They will
Like
keep
I
calling.
said, one night and therapy for n number
Yeah.
of days.
For or against influencers at Cannes,
Array.
at Cannes Film Festival.
I am for influencers everywhere. जिधर भी जा सकते हो,
say-
जिधर भी your work is taking you, go.
Go.
And I feel like it's opportunity
Yeah.
based
Based.
also, because if the thing is switched and if you are given that opportunity,
will
nobody
take
is
it.
going to
Going
say
to
no.
say no
Yeah.
to it.
You are going to say yes because it's a huge deal.
Yeah.
Whether you should be there or not, I don't know. But I feel like if you're given an opportunity,
You take it.
you will be stupid to say no.
Yeah.
If it's a movie, if it's a web show, if it's
Yes.
to work with an international brand, if it's a makeup brand, whatever the opportunity is, the
Go
fact
for
that you're getting it or you're being considered for it also is a big deal. And
and like
yeah, I mean, haters will hate.
Yeah, and like you said, not all will get that opportunity also to go.
Yeah.
Very few will be picked, or whatever. So
Yeah.
maybe the ones who have not gotten the opportunity are envying the ones who got the opportunity.
Huh.
Even this can be the case. So same, I will be completely for it. And influencers anywhere, or actors also anywhere, or models also anywhere. Like whenever you get an opportunity, never say no to it. If it doesn't work out later, it's understood.
Yeah.
I think I will have to say against again, because it's a niche thing again, where
Yeah.
I feel like actors aren't maybe getting those opportunities because it's given to someone who has more pull, which is very fair in your sense that if you're getting the opportunity, you should be
Take
there.
it.
But I would say that if you're going for a film festival, for example, you should be doing the research and putting in the time and bringing
Exactly.
that thing back into the spotlight. You
Mhm.
can take all the spotlight you want, obviously, if you're there, but bring attention to the
To
things
the-
that deserve it also.
Exactly.
Like, do a little research about these indie films that are being shown there, and talk about the actors that are
Yeah.
not getting the opportunities to be
Precisely.
there.
Kushi actually gave my answer away. For
I'm sorry.
no, I'm very happy that you brought it up. That for taking opportunities that come your way, against what this year also happened, that they did get an opportunity to go to Cannes, but nobody was shedding light to the films which
Yeah.
are there. This year we were making history. A person who I personally have known, her movie The Shameless, her co-actor won the Best Actor award this year at Cannes. So I think nobody was talking about it, and there
Yeah.
was so much attention being given to other things than what actually was important, because it's
Yeah.
a film festival, and I think that should be the primary. Because I know a lot of actors whose films were being screened were facing a lot of troubles in managing their travel
They won't be able to
and
go.
getting sponsors on board to sponsor them. So I understand the frustration that even they are facing, because they actually have something to do at the festival, because the films are being screened.
Mhm.
So I will say I'm against it.
Okay.
My question is, are you all for or against living with your in-laws?
I think I'm against. My answer can change later on in life because I really don't have much of an idea right now. But I think I'm against because I'm used to living very independently, and our mom does not like interfere in our business at all. So
Mhm.
if my in-laws were to be people who are very like in your business the whole time, then I feel like I would be very annoyed because I've not grown up like that. I don't live like that
Like
now.
that.
So I
Yeah.
don't think it would be fun for me.
I think it's very situational,
Yeah.
because you don't know what the situation is. But definitely, if I am to live with my in-laws, then my parents, if they are also, if ho na aisa, but if one of them is not there in the future and the other is alone, so I will definitely want to keep them also together. So it's very situational. Like if I'm living with in-laws, and my parents will stay together.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah, like
I
dono.
am against. I mean, for the start at least, I feel like every couple needs to have that life together independently. I mean, keeping each other's families aside, have that time together. And of course, if something is to happen in the future where, your parents have to come and live with you, that is like बाद में देखा जाएगा, whatever. You can figure that out together. But I feel in the start, at least, you need to have that time
Alone.
together privately.
Yeah. I think even I am completely against this. Like Kushi said, maybe it can change later depending on your partner and their parents, how they
Yeah.
are. But I am a sole believer of when you start staying together, relationships tend to get a little
Yeah.
spoiled, because sometimes तुम्हारा schedule अलग होता है, हमारा अलग होता है, and for them to adjust to us to adjust to them is not proper, is not right. So I think I'm completely against this.
Yeah.
Okay, next. I have discussed this with my friends multiple times, and every girl has the same opinion ever. But are you for or against your boyfriend liking other girls' pictures?
Against.
Against.
Against!
I think all of us know at least one
Guy who is
who
in
is
every
there
girl's
in
life.
every
Every
girl's
girl's
likes.
post.
Just
Like
don't
under
do
the
it.
post, you can see this one common person, and it's like a little
It gives you the
off.
ick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that one guy that's
I
there
think
in every.
it's a
And I think
big-
it's embarrassing for
The
if they're
girl.
dating somebody. I
Yes.
think it's
Yeah.
embarrassing for the girl also. So don't
Yeah.
embarrass your
yeah,
partner.
it's a big
Yeah.
red
Like that.
flag. Like if
Just-
someone goes through this, please leave or communicate. If it's still happening, then it's a
Then-
big
Yeah,
red
I
flag.
think you
No,
should
just
put
a-
it across.
Just a pro tip for all guys out there: if you like a girl, if you're talking to a girl, if you're in a relationship with a girl, just leave Instagram.
Yeah,
Stop liking only.
don't
Don't do all this.
That's a bit much.
Yeah, you be
Don't
on
leave,
Instagram,
but, like, don't do all this. Yeah,
all
what is this
this.
behavior?
बेचारे लाइफ जीना ही छोड़ रहे हैं आजकल इंस्टाग्राम ही सबका लाइफ है like do what
Yeah.
you want, don't like
Yeah.
someone's pictures. How would you feel if your girlfriend is liking other
They will
guys
say I'm
half
okay with
naked
it.
photos?
They will say I'm okay with it.
So they are narcissists.
ठीक है,
That's
but
what
basically
don't like.
we are all against.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think let's do one last question and then we should.
Yeah. Who has?
Oh, sorry, it was my question. Botox or fillers? What do you guys think?
For or against?
Yes,
For.
for.
I think I'm for. I just don't like if you have the guts to do it. That's my main thing. Like I think I'm too scared to ever do anything because I'm scared of getting an injection also. So
Same.
मुझे तो बहुत ही डर लगता है. But if you're not like if you want to do it and if you're not scared, good for you.
Good
Yeah.
for you. I think I'm also for it. If you want to do it, do it. I know I will mostly not do it.
Hmm.
पता नहीं क्या what
Hmm.
stores for me in the future. I'm not against it. I'm for it. That
I feel like I am for it, but I am very, very scared of needles or any injection
Blood.
type of thing or blood or whatever. I'm too afraid.
Yeah, exactly.
And I am the type of person that will like faint at these things, and I'm very scared, but I feel like I'm capable of doing it also.
Yeah.
Like I am already starting to see like lines on my forehead, and I'm like I want to get filler done or whatever, but I've never done it. I'm very curious and nervous also. Like it's very important, if you're doing it, it's very important to do research, to
Yeah.
find the right
Mm.
doctor who's not going to mess it up for you, to get a lot of feedback from other people also. That's important. And I think do whatever makes you feel beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Sweet.
think everybody has insecurities, and
Yeah.
if doing that makes you feel good, beautiful, happy, go ahead and do it. Again, do the right research. But I have seen so many big actresses jinka things have gone wrong. If they have also done their research right and fir bhi things went wrong, so that is something I'm very scared of. Yeah, but again, like do your research and like be ready, कुछ गलत हो भी सकता है. That
Yeah.
is why I'm very scared. Otherwise, I'm completely for it. Like people who do it, I actually ask them, ये किया, okay. So I'm curious about
Yeah.
it. I'm always very
Yeah.
curious.
मजे करो सब.
हाँ. And have a high pain threshold also. It's painful, I've heard.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
I
See,
can't.
My
big
God.
That
no.
already
I've heard,
scares
it's,
me.
I've heard it's
scared.
very painful.
But yeah, that's cool. That's it. That's all our
Yes.
questions. Tell us what you are for and what
What
you are
you're
against.
In the comments. And thank you so much for watching our episode. Please subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.
Bye.